Hello dear students, this is 10th class mathematics, the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. In this video, we will learn the important 8 marks questions that are given in the SCERT question bank, and this is part 2 video. In this video, we will learn 2 to 3 most important 8 marks questions that are repeatedly appeared in the public examinations.
200 logs are placed in the following manner, such that 20 logs are in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the upper row, and so on. In how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are there at the top row? I shall repeat. 200 logs are placed in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the upper row, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? This question is appeared in June 2017. Look at the diagram here. There are 20 logs at the bottom row. At this bottom row there are 20 logs, and above this row there is another row placed, and in this row there are 19 logs, and above these 19 logs there are 18 logs. Like this we have to keep all these 200 logs. If we keep like this, then how many rows such rows are formed to get 200 logs is one question. And the second question is, what is the number of logs at the top row? There are 2 points we have to answer here. Here is the solution now. It is given that the total number of logs is equal to 200. Now, the number of logs in the first row is 20, second row 19, third row coming to upwards, the third row 18, and so on. Then the arithmetic progression is 20, 19, 18, 17, and so on. Here A is equal to 20. And common difference D is A2 minus A1. 19 minus 20 is minus 1. And sum of all the terms should be 200. Then write the formula for Sn in AP. In an AP, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute A is equal to 20 and D is equal to minus 1. And we don't know the value of n. But we know Sn is equal to 200. Therefore 200 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into A, 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 1. This is n by 2 into 2 into 20 is 40. N into minus 1 is minus n. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. This is n by 2 into 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. Now take this divided by 2 to other side. Then 200 into 2 is equal to n into 41, 41n, n into minus n, minus n square. Bring all 12 h's, minus n square other side plus n square, plus 41n other side minus 41n, plus 2 into 200, 400 is equal to 0. Now if you find the factors of 400, it is 16, 25 is 400, and Hugh's sum is 41. Therefore you can write this as n minus 16 into n minus 25 is 0. Here n minus 16 into n minus 25 is 0. Then either n is equal to 16 or n is equal to 25. So if n is equal to 16 or 25, but the number of logs at the top should be less than 20, therefore answer should be 16. There are 16 rows. Now how many logs are there at the top row we have to find out. That is, in this AP, An is A plus n minus 1 into D. We know n value is 16th row, means n is equal to 16. And A is equal to 20 and D is equal to minus 1. An means A16 is equal to 20 plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1 into D is minus 1. 20, 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. Therefore, there are 5 logs at the top row, that is 16th row, there are 5 logs. Therefore, the number of rows is 16 and the number of logs on the top row is equal to 5. Another question now. Here is the question. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an arithmetic progression is 24 and the sum of 6th and the 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. I shall repeat. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an arithmetic progression is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th terms of the same AP is 44. Then find the first 3 terms of AP. This question is appeared in March 2015. Here is the solution. Now we have given that 4th term plus 8th term. The sum of means 4th term plus 8th term of an AP is 24. Since it is the sum of 2 terms, let us go for the formula of a particular term in an AP. In an AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. It is given that the sum of 4th and 8th terms is 24. 4th term means A4 and 8th term means A8 is equal to 24. Now A4 means A plus 4 minus 1. What is A plus 4 minus 1? 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore A plus 3D is 4th term. And 8th term means A plus 8 minus 1 is 7D. A plus 7D is 24. Now if we add these two, A plus A is 2A. 3D plus 7D is 10D is equal to 24. Now you can cancel 2 on all the terms. Let us divide each and every term of LHS and RHS with 2. 2A by 2 is A. 10D by 2 is 5D. 24 divided by 2 is 12. This is the first equation. Now the second point given is the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. 6th term A6 plus 10th term A10 is equal to 44. 6th term means A plus 6 minus 1, that is A plus 5D, plus 10th term means A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. A plus A is 2A. 5D plus 9D, 14D is 44. Let us divide this equation with 2. 2A by 2 is A. 14D by 2 is 7D. 44 by 2 is 22. It is second equation. Now let us write the first equation below second equation. First equation is A plus 5D is 12. Now let us separate 2 minus 1. Then plus A and minus A will be cancelled. 7D minus 5D is 2D. 22 minus 12 is 10. And D is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. Now we got D value. Now let us find A value by substituting D is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 means A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus, students, what is the value of D? Good, we got D is equal to 5 now. Therefore, let us substitute in the place of D 5. That is A plus 5D, A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. That is A is equal to 12. 5 5 is 25, other side minus 25. And 12 minus 25 is minus 13. Therefore, the first 3 terms of an AP are A plus D and A plus 2D. A value is minus 13 and D value is 5. A value minus 13. Next A plus D means minus 13 plus 5. Next A plus 2D minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Minus 13 plus 2, 5 is 10. 10 minus 13 is minus 3. These are the first 3 terms of this AP.
Thank you, Ananda.